और आप कितने बजे आए?
पहली गाड़ी मिस हो गई थी मेरी श्रीमान की, इसलिए मैं माफी चाहता हूँ।
जी।
पहली गाड़ी वो मिस हो गई थी मेरी, इसलिए सर मैं माफी चाहता हूँ।
और आपको खड़े होना नहीं मिलता कोर्ट में? ठीक से खड़े होइए, पहले जाके पीछे बैठ गए आप। क्या नाम है आपका?
शिवराज मीना। शिवराज मीना।
डायरी क्यों नहीं भेजी गई सरकारी ऑफिस में?
सर मैं इस थाने में अभी पदस्थ नहीं हूँ, वर्तमान में मैं लाइन में पदस्थ हूँ श्रीमान।
थाने में कौन पदस्थ है?
थाने में एसएचओ अभी वर्तमान में शर्मा साहब है सर।
आप कब पोस्ट हुए यहाँ? आप कह रहे हैं आइयो आएंगे, तो कह रहे हैं हम अभी ही आएंगे।
मैं जब सर ये अपराध हुआ था तब मैं वहाँ था। पिछले महीने की 10 तारीख से मैं वहाँ उपस्थित नहीं हूँ सर, उस थाने में लाइन में हूँ।
वी वे आर कंसर्न विद द डायरी, नॉट ऑफ दिस। और आपको खड़े होना नहीं मिलता कोर्ट में? ठीक से खड़े होइए, पहले जाके पीछे बैठ गए आप। तो मिस्टर पवार, वी हैव टू डू समथिंग। लिखिए अलॉन्ग विथ, क्या नाम है इनका?
नाम बोलिए। शिवराज मीना।
श्री शिवराज मीना। क्या पोस्ट है आपको?
उप निरीक्षक।
सब इंस्पेक्टर। कहाँ पोस्टेड है?
सर अभी डीआरपी लाइन राजगढ़ सर। डीआरपी लाइन राजगढ़।
डीआरपी?
डीआरपी।
क्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिजर्व?
जी सर।
नहीं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिजर्व डीआरपी राजगढ़ is present in the court. लिखिए, by order dated 18/2/2025, Sri Meena is present in the court. He informs that he is not at present posted in police station Boda district Rajgarh. The order was issued. Direction was issued to the SHO police station Boda to district Rajgarh to remain present in person to explain why the case diary was not made available. Despite specific order, SHO police station Bola, district Rajgarh is not present in the court. Even there is no communication from him to the, आपको भी नहीं है ना उनकी तरफ से कोई communication to the Advocate General Office. Considering the same, Superintendent of Police,
SP राजगढ़।
yes, Mr. Mishra. Yeah, वही सही है। Mr. Mishra. Yes, you are audible, Mr. Mishra. This is one case MCRC 49860. This is the cancellation of bail matter. Diary was called twice. Despite that, diary was not made available. Then your SHO, Mr. Session Boda District, Rajgarh was directed to remain present in the court. Today, one ASI who is not posted in the police station, he is posted in DRP, has come to the court after the court hours. He did not reach the court at 10:30. His, for the said reason, case was passed over twice. Your SHO is not present in the court despite the court order, and there is no communication from him to the Advocate General. Now, what action you propose?
Sir, first, if this been in my knowledge and from our part,
Mr. Mishra, we are not saying anything. We are not saying anything for you. What we are saying that despite the order, your SHO is not present, neither any communication from him to the Advocate General. He has sent somebody else. He is neither posted in the police station or there. He is neither IO nor something. So what I propose that I will send this order to the Director General of Police to take action against that officer. And so against the SHO, who is the competent authority to take action?
I think it's a very sir, keep and I will
Yes,
inquiry.
For that we will direct you to ensure that on the diary is available.
डायरी इस मतलब
अगर मतलब 3 क्राइम केस मतलब तो जो पहले वाली है टीटीज बटेलियन जिसके अंदर से उनकी जमानत हुई थी वाली नहीं है, बाकी सब्सिक्वेंट दोनों डायरी है क्योंकि वो अनादर बेल एप्लीकेशन में मूव है मिलट्स।
or even otherwise, perhaps the proper case diaries are not available. लिखे और लिखे जो अभी लिखा है तो the superintendent of police Rajgarh joined UBC and expressed regret and some the inconvenience to the court and submitted that the aforesaid orders were not within his knowledge and assured that the compliance will be done at the top priority and the proper case diary will be made to the Advocate General Office. He further assured that the concerned SHO shall remain present in the court in compliance to the order dated 18/2/2025. List the matter. आपको next week भी जाना
नेक्स्ट में
27. Yes, list on 27th. Copy of this order be sent to the Superintendent of Police, Rajgarh. Yes. Mr. Mishra, what we hope that you will ensure that orders are properly scrutinized at your office so that proper compliance is done in the district. So, yes, please.
Don't answer. We sir.
Yes.
From the removed by we are sure.
Yes, yes. Now we
So
are
that
coming it through, even it's coming through the mail, etc. to happens in ERP.
there's a portal that
Portal.
we're going to upload it over the
No, but at least he should have informed the Advocate General Office. Or there may be some reasons for not coming. There should be at least communication. Yes. Yes, Mr. Mishra. Yes. Yes, yes.